Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start immediately by verifying the Google account you want to change. Once confirmed, open your device settings and locate accounts or passwords in Accounts. If you're on Android, tap Accounts Google. On iPhone, open Settings Contacts Accounts and choose the Google account. Make sure the account is signed in and visible. This step ensures you target the correct profile so you don't disable sync for the wrong account. Now proceed to adjust sync toggles. Once in the Google account sync screen, locate the Contacts toggle and switch it off. On Android, the toggle often reads Sync Contacts. On iPhone, disable Contacts under the Google account entry. Wait a few seconds for the system to register the change and show last synced, never or recent time removed. If you use the Contacts app, open its account filters and deselect the Google account so contacts stop appearing. Disabling here prevents future syncs while preserving local contacts until you choose otherwise. Complete the process by opening your Contacts or People app and confirming Google contacts are gone. If contacts still show, force close the app, clear app cache Android, or remove and re-add the Google account, then check again. Reboot the device to finalize the sync state. This often resolves lingering display issues. If you accidentally removed local contacts, restore using device backups or export/import from a vCard copy. Make sure to test by adding a contact online and confirming it no longer syncs to the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.